Is cloud mining profitable? Today we're going to answer that question. We're going to compare Hashflare with Genesis Mining, Hashing24, and MinerGate. That's coming right up. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the CoinRocket YouTube channel, where we are now boarding for one-way trips to the moon. So if you'd like to join us, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you there. So first off, we're going to look at Genesis Mining. Now, they currently don't have any Bitcoin mining contracts available right now. They're out of stock, but we're going to compare them just to see, in case they come back in stock, how profitable their contracts actually are. So one great thing about mining contracts on Genesis Mining is that they are lifetime contracts, and that they're going to mine basically for as long as Bitcoin is profitable to mine. So as we can see right here, 1,000 gigahashes is $179. So let's enter that in. 1,000 gigahashes. It's going to cost $179. Okay. 1,000 gigahashes. Okay, and then we can take a look at the plan details for the fees. It says right here there would be this amount per gigahash per day. So if we have 1,000 gigahashes, it would be about 28 cents per day in fees. Okay, so 28 cents. This is a daily fees. Okay, and you can do a Google search for a Bitcoin mining calculator. I like to use the one on coinwars.com. Okay, go ahead and set the power cost to 0 because it's cloud mining, and set the hardware cost to 179. The hash rate and the fees would be about 28 cents a day. So let's see how much that comes out to. It's like about 16%, maybe 17. Okay, so it's about 17% in fees. You make your money back after 129 days. Okay, and your daily profit is $1.38. Okay, that makes sense. How much does the cost per gigahash then? Maybe 1,000, 179, still 5.58. Or wait. No, it costs about 17.9 cents per gigahash. Okay, actually, I'll do. What happened here? Okay. There we go. Alright. So next up, the power time. 129 days. Break even. Okay, next up we have Hashflare. Let's go over to the pricing section. And it looks like it's $2.20 for 10. So let's do 1,000. And that would cost about $220. Okay, and the fees would be this much for 10. So that's about 35 cents. And these are 1-year contracts on Hashflare. Let's calculate the daily profit. Okay, no. Fees. How much did it say? 35 cents per 10, or 3, whatever it is, like 3/100th cent. Looks like it'd be about 21% fees, yeah. So that's your daily profit of $1.31. The ROI time is 168 days. Okay, now let's take a look at MinerGate. Over to the cloud mining section, and let's see how much 1,000. 1,000, maybe. And that will cost. Let's see. Okay. Well. Okay, about $156. And the pool fees, it looks like, not pool fees, maintenance fees, should be about 20%. So that's daily profit of $1.33, ROI time of 117 days. Okay, and Hashing24 is the last one here. They're also out of mining contracts. It looks like their maintenance fee is about 33 cents as well. Price per gigahash, I'm not exactly sure, but these are actually 3-year plans. Okay, and I can't really calculate the cost and everything else, but alright, let's compare these. Let's look at the total profit after 1 year. Okay. Annual profits, annual earnings, whatever. Okay, so Genesis Mining would be 1.38. Actually, we can do this the easy way. Equals to 5 times daily profit. So Genesis Mining, it looks like, is the most profitable on a yearly basis, but they cost a little bit more than MinerGate. And they both have lifetime contracts, and the unfortunate thing with Genesis Mining is that they're currently out of stock. So let's compare MinerGate and the rest of them. MinerGate looks like the best deal as of right now. Let's compare that with just buying Bitcoin flat out. So let's invest, say, $200. Well, what's the average of these three? 185. Okay, 185. Well, let's look at the last year. So Bitcoin in the last 365 days has gone up 1,540%. Now obviously past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance, but it helps. Okay, that's what we have, all we have to go on. So that's 1540 divided by 365 days is about 4.2% daily. So 185 plus 4.2% is about $7.8 in a day. Now this is on average. Okay, and obviously there'd be no fees or anything. ROI time is basically 0 because you never actually lose your initial investment. Okay, and time length is as long as you want, and of course it's always in stock. So really it looks like just holding Bitcoin is the most profitable thing you can do. However, you can get discounts on Hashflare contracts by using the discount code found in the description of this video. There's also links for Genesis Mining and MinerGate if you want to sign up for those. Now those are basically just ways you can grow your portfolio passively without having to worry about, you know, whether you can like sell your Bitcoin for profit or something. You're basically printing money when you do cloud mining or Bitcoin mining, so you should think of it as kind of a way to diversify your portfolio. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.